are doing an EZ Gel Facelift. And what EZ Gel is, it's your own platelets. So we drew our patient's blood, we heated some of it, we cooled some of it, and then we mixed it all together to make a gel. So it's like a filler. However, you still need to do 2 to 3 treatments, usually spaced at 1 to 2 months apart. So we are going to be starting our treatment now. And it'd be helpful to have an alcohol swab. And I already did some areas of lidocaine. So you would use this just like you use filler. And we're going to use a cannula, so it'll make it really easy on her. Generally, we can get about 5 cc's of EZ Gel every time we draw your blood. So that's like 5 syringes of filler. Okay, I'm going to come up now, okay? 1, 2, 3, here we go. Boom, boom. Yep, you got it. And it goes in just like filler does. And you can put it anywhere and everywhere. And it looks super pretty. And then it releases growth factors over the course of the next 3 months too. So not only does it look good now, but it's going to keep releasing growth factors over time. So it'll give her more results as time goes on. It's another procedure that keeps proceeding. So we like those kind of procedures.
The procedure that keeps proceeding.
Yes, we like those. Okay, so now we're going to go. Can you feel here?
Okay.
Good. Going to help those little lip lines right there. Okay, and now we're going to go up into the nasolabial fold and do some in here. Beautiful.
Wow.
And then we're going to come. It's nice that we can do this all from the same spot. Get these little lines up there. Perfect. So that is our side number 1. So we're going to give it a break and we're going to go to the other side. Perfect. See, there doesn't have to be any downtime because using the cannula really helps to prevent that. Alright, we're going to come all the way up there. And as I glide through your skin with the cannula, I say glide loosely, I'm irritating you as well as your skin cells. So using the cannula actually helps make you make more collagen, which is nice. You're doing amazing. And the thing I would tell you not to do is no ibuprofen or anything for the next week, because we want all the inflammation to be happening, because the platelets are going to recruit your stem cells over, and if you cut down inflammation, they're not going to come over as efficiently or as effectively. So no ibuprofen for a week.
No problem.
Or anything that's anti-inflammatory. So if you take any other supplements, turn a little away from me. Not for a week. Okay, 1, 2, 3, okay. Open away, boom. So I always say, go out with your best girlfriend who you hate today. And she'll be like, what did you do? And you'll be like, I just started a new cream. And she'll be like, I think you're amazing. And you go, yes, I know. There we go. So that's the whole treatment. So there you go. There's your EZ Gel Facelift.
And that really was not bad at all.
Okay, good. It's just that above the lip.
It's
So
more, the fear of it than the actual it.
Yeah. So these little spots are going to clear up after about a day or so. I actually have 2 little spots because I just did a little bit of something yesterday. So you can see how easily these little spots clear up. So if you want to find out more about EZ Gel or over the 70 or so procedures that we do at RejuvenationMD, you can find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or on our website at RejuvenationMD.com.